All right. This is number 2. So you had the equations y equals x minus 6, and then your other equation was y equals 1/2 x minus 3. If we are solving these using substitution, then we are going to take the x minus 6 that it says y is equal to here, and we're going to substitute it in for y in this problem, right? Substitution property says I can take what this one is equal to and I can plug it in over here. So then my equation is going to look like x minus 6 equals 1/2 x minus 3. So now we're just solving, right? And remember, when you have variables on both sides, we're going to subtract one variable over to the other side, okay? So that gives us just a single x, right? And now the x is over on the correct side. So over here, 1/2 x minus 1/2 x, that's going to cancel. And then that's just going to leave me with a negative 3. On this side, x, remember that's like a 1x. And so if I do 1x minus 1/2 x, 1 minus 1/2 leaves me with 1/2, right? So I still have 1/2 x. And then that minus 6, we just drop down. So here's what our problem looks like now. Now we're trying to get x by itself. So we're going to add 6, because what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. Minus 6 and plus 6 are going to cancel and leave us with just 1/2 x equals negative 3 plus 6 gives me a positive 3. Then remember, if I want to get rid of the 1/2 x that I still have right here, to get rid of a fraction, we just multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 over 1, because multiplying by 2 over 1 cancels out our 1/2, and it's just going to leave me with x. So then I'm going to do 3 times 2 divided by 1. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. Divided by 1 is still 6. Okay? So then we get x equals 6 there. So then the next step would be to take that x equals 6 and to plug in 6 in place of x in one of our original equations. And it's not going to matter which equation you choose to plug that 6 back into. So if I plug that 6 back into, I'm going to use the top equation just because it didn't have any fractions in it. It was y equals x minus 6. We're going to replace x with 6 because we just said x equals 6. So now y equals 6 minus 6, which means y has to equal 0. So then if x is 6 and y is 0, our ordered pair, our actual answer, is 6, 0, right? So this is what we need to be getting to. And I think what was maybe getting some of us was just remembering to multiply by 2 over 1 on both sides here. Okay. All right, so hopefully that's helpful when you're looking at number 2.